What is going on, everybody? Welcome to the video. Um, I know, different camera angle, different lighting. Um, please don't judge me on my kitchen, okay? Just we can just get over it, okay? Yes, those are cupboards that are supposed to be on the wall, but I've just stacked them because I had to put up these walls, and as you can tell, I'm not finished putting up walls. Actually, you can't tell. I cut off the ceiling. You can't see the ceiling. I covered myself. But yeah, what's up, everybody? Camera angles are funky. Like, I'm struggling between having y'all be able to see the working station, see me, and this is the only real angle that I can cover kind of all of it in like a kind of decent manner, as it were. Um, but welcome to Guy Dinner. You're asking what makes this guy dinner? I'm a guy, and this is my dinner. Yeah, I mean, simple, right? I just like cooking, so this is gonna get me cooking. I did randomize to see what I would be cooking today, which is chicken Parmesan. I've made it one time in my entire life. And I'll be honest, it's on my Twitter feed somewhere. It looked pretty. Um, but yeah, I actually just realized I don't need either of these. Actually, I need this because we're going to be making spaghetti alongside it. Um, it is just myself here, so we're not going too crazy with the food. This recipe calls for, I think, 4 chicken breasts, but I'm going to just kind of, you know how we going to do it. I'll put a picture of all the ingredients, and I'll link y'all to the recipe I'm using as I did with the baking one. This is not replacing the baking video. This is kind of like on top of, I just enjoy cooking stuff, and, so, I mean, if these videos did pretty well. They're about as good as my usual videos do. Not gaming videos, that is. But yeah. Show ya what's going on, what's happening. It's looking like this is pretty simple, honestly. I think I'm gonna be able to breeze through this because today was just, guys. When I tell you I had one of the just craziest days of my life, I ain't kidding, dude. My cousin's car broke down while we were on break, so I had to do so much stuff. Actually, I want to get the chicken prepared before I start doing this. I'm gonna have this. I'm gonna take half, and we'll store it for later use. For later cooking, obviously. Yeah. Um, I have small gloves. I don't have regular gloves, so do forgive me. This is gonna be a bit rugged, just cause this is guy cooking, and nobody's eating this food. With the bacon, I was sharing it with family, so I really cared about sanitation and stuff. In this one, if you have problems with like cross contamination, no, guys, I'm just joking. Like, I don't know. You'll see. You can judge it for yourself, but I'm not putting too much thought into, as long as I don't get poisoned by this chicken, life's good. We're gonna put, honestly, I'm only gonna cook 2 of these chicken breasts, if I'm being honest. I think that's gonna be fine. Now, honestly, I shouldn't put all these in one bag, but you know me. I'll just make a crock pot dinner with these chickens, and then I won't have to worry about them. But yeah. Oh, while I've got y'all, I might as well show y'all the contenders for the next guy dinner, because, like I said, this is just me cooking. This is the easiest form of content I can make. I got this nice chuck round roast. It's going in a crock pot, I'm going to be honest. Nice, thick, big slab of meat. And then I also got this thick old pork shoulder butt roast. It's got a bone in there somewhere. But when I made this last time, ooh, did this slap. Both these were about $30 from my store that I go to, Food City. And I think that's pretty good. I'm going to be honest. That's a big slab of meat. That'll feed me for multiple days. But yeah, that's my... Oh, I need to put these in the freezer. Sidetracked. Easy. Okay. Okay, boys. Ladies and gentlemen. Let's get to prepping. I really want to be... I want to be secretary for you guys. Shoot, I don't know what to use. want to use my hands, but I don't want to get my hands dirty. Hold on, guys. We're gonna try the small glove. It's gonna be a little awkward. You'll see once I get these things on my hands. I wear extra large gloves. But the last time I ordered a shipment of them, I got these that are, you can tell, and they're like 2 fingers of mine. They're gonna, ugh. I'm gonna squeeze in here. I'm gonna try to get my fingers in the holes. No comment on that comment. Pinch myself while I'm at it. Yeah, so, as you can tell, real cramped. I'm gonna go ahead and I'll trim off a lot of this fat. I don't like the fat on chicken. Usually the way I cook, it ends up just being like really rough pieces of meat that you eat them and you kind of feel sick after eating it. So we're gonna just skin it. We're not skinning it, but we're gonna cut the fat. Don't worry, I throw these out, and it feeds the wild animals that live around my house. I got a few raccoons, some possums. I got some deer too, but deer don't eat meat. You'd hope. Now, it says, well, my phone turned off, but I'm supposed to flatten this out. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, Chief. I don't have one of those hammers, and I could beat it with a pan, which could be funny, but also, you know, I think I've sold myself on the idea of beating it with a pan. It's gonna be loud, is the thing. You know, I could mute it. Hold on, I can definitely pull this off. Okay, everybody. Welcome to a manly dinner with Calvin. Well, we're gonna do some crazy shenanigans. This is gonna be muted. Fingers crossed. Okay, okay, that's pretty flattened, right? Pretty thin. I think it wants this cut. Because it says 4 boneless chicken breast halves. So I'm going to cut this in half. Like, right about here. Nice. That's pretty good. Okay. We're going to do the other piece of chicken now. Get this nice big chunk of fat taken off. There's always this usual end piece of fat. Sometimes it's bigger on other pieces of the chicken. This one's not too bad. Honestly, that was not a bad thing. I don't like whatever that is. Dude, there's a bone in my chicken. Guys, can you... There's a freaking bone. That's a bone. There's a bone in this chicken. I ain't a complainer, though. I ain't gonna eat it, but that is funny. Okay. Got that nice in there. Now we're gonna cover... We're gonna take that raw piece of chicken. Again, we're gonna mute this. Put it flattened. Yeah, don't get on my bad side, guys. I'll beat you. I'll beat you with a frying pan. Whatever pan this is that I'm about to use. Okay, guys, so I'm going to be honest with you. Hold on. This piece of chicken, I obliterated this chicken, dude. Just absolutely eviscerated it. That's going to be the first one we do. Now, I'm done cooking. They don't have parsley. None of that stuff requires cutting. So I'm going to throw this stuff in the sink. If that was loud. One thing. Now I'm going to take this off. Okay, so. Chicken done. Chicken cut up. Now, it says salt and pepper to taste. What is stopping me from just, like, doing one of these maneuvers? Or I crack. Now it says 1 large egg. Again, guys, if you know me, you know I don't have large eggs. I'm gonna go ahead and use. I really want to use all 4 of these eggs, but we'll just do 2 for now and see how that plays out. That's a pretty good egg crack. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, everybody. That's a pretty good egg crack. Worth noting, guys, if you haven't subscribed and you like the content, we've almost hit 100 subscribers, which is like crazy. Like, I've gained like 50 something subscribers in the past like week, which is wild to me. I'm very grateful for it. Like, I don't even know what I could do. I thought I was talking to my cousin. I was like, do I do 1,000 or a 100 subscriber special? And he's like, I don't know, man. You gotta find something to do. And I'll be honest, guys. I don't know what to do. If you got ideas, for a 100 subscriber special, now obviously it can't be too crazy, but if you got ideas, I'm open to it. I'm open to doing something. Whether that just end up being a long live stream or a special cooking video. That's not a lot, but I'm gonna hope that's enough. So, we're going to get the breading and stuff taken care of. Now, usually, you have gloved hands, okay? Do I get another thing of gloves? Should. Going to. I'm not as rugged as I said this, guys. I really don't like getting my hand... I don't mind getting my hands dirty, but, like... I know I'm going to be filming this video... And, like, I don't want to look too messy, okay, guys? I do want to look somewhat like a normal human being. That's not a monster in the kitchen. Okay, so, as usual, we do that, we do this, it goes there. There's a lot of chicken for a little bit of egg. I hope this is covered. Slap, 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 slap. I'm sorry, I couldn't resist, guys. I have ADHD. I apologize. No, it's not bad per se, but it's not my favorite, okay? I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Not my favorite, don't look that great. My other one was a nice big chunk of meat, so maybe that's the difference. Let's do the obliterated one next. Usually people use 2 hands for this. I'm just gonna one hand it. Oh my god. I gotta grab it from the tip. Slap, slap, slap. This one's so fessed up, dude. This one's gonna come apart on me while I'm cooking it. This is so messy. The small gloves make it really hard to kind of navigate with my fingers. So I'm kind of just roughly picking it up and slapping it around. You like that? You like that dirty hand? Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna crack the other 2 eggs in it, guys. What's carbonara? Carbonara is bacon, eggs, and... Right? That's all it is, right? Oh, come on, egg. Don't you do it. Oh, you. Why? I'm so scared of, like... Dude. How do I do this? How do I do this, guys? Like, now I've got egg in the freaking... Everything's going to crap, dude. Everything... I've got eggs on the ground. I've got eggs... Screw this, man. I ain't gonna do the glove anymore. I don't care. I got eggshells in my freaking... breading. I don't care. I don't care anymore. I'm just... That's all these eggs done. Time to get frisky. I didn't whisk the eggs. Guys, everything's falling apart. I've had one tiny problem and everything's collapsing. My whole world's coming apart. What the heck is that? Why is it so long? Oh my god. I really just want to like pull it off. It's in the batter now. It's in the egg wash. I know this is probably going to set some people off, but thankfully you can't see it that much. Me just absolutely manhandling this chicken. Now question, if I were to cook these eggs, would I have to worry about the salmonella and stuff on chicken? Because like it's raw chicken in raw chicken. Right? The future man problem has not become a real man problem. Rag, you'll have to do. Um. Guys, don't say anything, okay? It's my floor. I'll mop it eventually. And I sweep it pretty regularly. Okay. Egg wash is done. Don't need it. At the very least, I'll pour it out. Okay. Panko breadcrumbs has egg wash in it. Can't use it. My station is a mess. Okay. I should have used that rag to wipe that counter down. Guys, we have problems. We have major issues in the cooking department. You know what? If I just put it on the floor, it's a problem for in the future, right? Is this setting any of y'all off? Have I set y'all off enough already? Right, am I triggering y'all? If that didn't trigger y'all, I don't know what will. And I'm gonna step right through it in my socks. I'm a menace. I'm a menace to society, guys. I should have my cooking privileges taken away. Okay. So, now we're going to... It says fry in butter. Okay. How many tablespoons is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is 6 tablespoons of butter. I don't want to get waste. Get in there. While that melts, I'm gonna go get my broom. Where's my broom at? Which room is it in? I had it literally yesterday. Where's this broom at? Guys, where's my broom at? Broom? Are you in the weight room? No, broom is not in my weight room. Oh, it is. It is in my weight room. Nice, guys. We got it. I've got to work out after this, guys. I'm not looking forward to that. Work today was real. Just like I said, I had to help get a car running during my lunch break. It took like 2 hours because it was just one issue after another. And then I got to work. I got to work this morning at 6. And they was like, "You're gonna build these stupid ramps where you have to hand tighten all the bolts, and then you have to use a rivet gun." Not even a rivet gun. I don't even know what kind of gun it is. Need that to melt. The chicken's going in there. Ah! Nothing goes my way. Grrr! Now this is the secondary recipe. This is the side dish. And it's spaghetti. Also, I've been listening to Italian music this whole time, which has only made me think of this as a funnier situation. I need this to be on high. I got water on the floor. I don't even know when I did that. Where's my salt at? Salt. I salt the crap out of my water. Okay. Let's see. Let's take some stuff that I'm done with. Panko. Oh my god. Please don't dump the panko into the freaking... Oh my god. Guys, I'm a mess. I need help. I need some assistance. I need a chef. That's what I need. I need an actual chef to help me with guy cooking. Now, see, I can pick y'all up and carry y'all over here. Hold on. Y'all can see the butter browning. Wow, it looks terrible because I've got no lighting. What happened? Hold on. Let me put y'all down. Okay, this light. See, this is my house light's not great. Okay, but you get a close up of the chicken. Oh, look at that! Beautiful, beautiful, nice piece of chicken. Oh God, hold on. Camera angles. Guys, eventually I'll get the right camera angle. That was beautiful, wasn't it? Y'all enjoyed that so much, right? Oh, my chicken's touching that piece right there. I need a few utensils. I need that. I need this. And I think the metal tongs is going to be fine for the chicken. Put those over there. So, we got to cook this in the skillet and then add... To skillet, add spaghetti sauce, heat thoroughly, then add the chicken. Wait. What if I don't want to do that? I wanted to serve the pasta sauce on top of it. Okay, guys, here's the plan, okay? This recipe sucks. I'm gonna go off on my own. We're gonna venture where some men and women have ventured before. And that is cooking off the books, off the recipe, unhinged. We're gonna do some unhinged behavior. I need this butter to melt. And then we're gonna sling them in there and we're gonna let them go. Okay, so what I wanna do is I need to heat up this pasta sauce. Or I really don't. It's kinda lukewarm. I think it's gonna be fine. I'm not too worried about that. Where does the lemon juice come into this thing? It had lemon juice in this recipe, right? Oh no. Hey guys, well, I've got a minute to tell y'all. Oh shoot, you know what? I'm just gonna drop this chicken in. We're just gonna say screw it, we ball. Screw it, we ball. I think I can fit one more. You know what? I'm just gonna do two. We're gonna do two right now. Now, the recipe says 10 minutes or until chicken is... Wait. Fry in hot butter on skillet. There ain't no way 4 ounces of butter was gonna cover this. There ain't no way. I feel like this recipe set me up for failure, guys. We're not posting the recipe. We're not doing it. I'm going... this recipe sucks. This recipe is terrible. Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Go on, chicken. Come on, get in there. Yeah, we're going to throw this away. I'm going to take that outside after the video. I don't need this. Oh, guys, I got sidetracked. The baking video this week, that all of you are looking forward to, is going to be baked apple fritters. Now, I'm a big fritters man. I love me some apple fritters. Problem is, where I buy them at, I can't find out the calorie count, and I'm trying to lose weight. And you know, it's kind of hard to like be like, I'm trying to lose weight, and I'm trying to count calories, and then I'm eating an apple fritter with an unknown amount of calories. So, um, the game plan is apparently they're 110 calories a piece. I got some apples over there on the counter. You can't see them because the camera angle. Or I need better cameras. Is what I need. I thought about buying a computer dedicated to just streaming in here or just recording in here, but I'm in debt. I got bills to pay and stuff, so that can't really happen. Me there. If the butter runs out, by the way, I'm pouring oil in here. Now I don't know if you can mix it butter and oil, but we're gonna find out, buddies. We're gonna find out. Oh, hot water not boiling. Get it boiling, son. By the time I finish this garlic parmesan, house is not gonna be done. Also, what do I plate this on? I don't think I have anything to plate it on, guys. All I got is domino plates. Can I be classy with Domino's plates? Yeah, screw it. I'm gonna use the Domino's plate. It's gonna be funny. Dude, I'm vibing. I'm having such a good time. Let's see. Let's check the chicken. Hold on. Ooh. I mean, that's not bad. That's definitely not bad. I've seen worse. The only problem is I'm worried they're not going to cook all the way through. And that definitely ran out of butter. I'm going to have to put more butter in that. Or, no, I'm not putting more butter in that. I'm going to put oil in that. We're going to throw some... Oh, actually, man, I really shouldn't be doing it. You know what? I've realized my mistake, and that was making garlic parmesan. There's no way. 120 calories per tablespoon. Okay, let me make you butter. Is butter any butter? Let's see. Okay, 1 tablespoon is 60 calories, okay? It's moderately better. It's about half the calories for the same amount. Okay. I feel like these are burning. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get my professional thermometer. And I need to see if it's raw in the thickest spot. I just stepped through the whole pile of stuff I swept. Okay, I think this is the thickest piece. Oh, wow. It is super raw. Oh, man. Hey, guys. So, what have we learned? What have we learned, guys? We learned something important today, okay? We learned that I'm gonna improvise. Improvise, adapt, overcome. Improvise, adapt, overcome. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Let's do it. Let's save this food. I was gonna put stuff in the oven anyways, so the only thing that shifted is my plan now involves baking these. Honestly, I should probably flip this. Beautiful color. They have a fantastic color on them. Like, they look fantastic color-wise, but they're super undercooked. So, the way we're going to salvage this, I'm going to let the oven preheat. I'm going to cook the other two of these. I'll take a knife here. And I'm going to screw up cutting the butter in half, apparently. I'll flip that in there. That's going to get cooked. That needs to be washed now. Cover this up. Throw it in there. Okay. Okay, lads. So, the game plan. We're gonna turn it down. My water's boiling. We're gonna crack some pasta. I break pasta in half. Please don't hate me. How much does this need? 10 to 11 minutes or until tender. Okay. If I can get the box open, oh my god. I stripped the whole top of this box off, by the way. I ain't you kicking. By the way, guys, I know I talked about losing weight. I'm not counting calories for this meal. It's guy dinner. I'm just eating good tonight. Keeps. Oh my god, my freaking. Guys, we're in such deep crap. Oh my god, my freaking laptop's gonna die. My laptop's gonna die. Guys, we're in panic mode. If my mic dies, I lose audio. Oh no. Everything's going backwards. Okay, hold on. Salvaging. Guys, this whole video is just me salvaging. It's just me salvaging everything. It's just me salvaging. Oh god. Okay. Oh wait, I don't lose audio, I lose the camera. Okay, the light has to go away, guys. What's a cooking video if I ain't got a camera? Ah! Go to sleep and keep grinning. If this is just the beginning, then life is gonna be beautiful. Helen and me will be wed, cooked out a king size bed. I couldn't be any better, or I'd be sick. Well, ain't that a kick? I got the butter on top of the chicken. How did I do this? What? What? Oh. No! No! Stop! Stop it! Guy cooking, guys! Guy cooking! Guy cooking! I'm a guy and I'm cooking! And everything's going fantastic. I got the butter on the chicken. Butter chicken. Man, have you seen a more fantastic cooking video? You know, maybe the terrible quality just adds to the charm. I need to thermometer these again. And I know, any food critic in here is like, but you stabbed a raw chicken with this. I don't care. Okay, it's 108. Yeah. Honestly, this was my plan the whole time, guys, was to get a crust on the chicken and then finish it in the oven. Oh yeah, you need to go up. I mean, honestly, that's pretty good color, too. I'm sorry for the crap lighting, guys. I apologize. If you can't tell, I literally went to the store today, got all the stuff for it. Schedule-wise, I realized that if I didn't, hold on a second. I realized that if I didn't record this today, I would not be able to record it in time for the schedule that I had set up. Yeah. Is my mic still working? Sick. Okay. I realized the way we can get the light back, guys. Now the question is, will the light reach? And where's the light gonna sit? Okay, this light's really close to me, so I do apologize. Okay, speaker, you gotta get unplugged. Okay, 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 we're clutching, we're clutching. I swear, guys, I cook frequently, and it almost always ends up like this. Oh, forgot to turn on the light. Yeah, what up? I'm a sick cook. I'm sick with it. My floor's slick, so I gotta be careful not to bust. Ooh, guys! That looks beautiful! Let's see, can I get a... I ain't got a good mic, otherwise I'd let you hear that sound. But I don't have a good mic! That's trash. Oh, wait. Oh. Hey, guys, so, to let y'all know, I'm recording this Tuesday. Video should have just went live. Also, want to commend myself. I did walk almost 10,000 steps today with everything going on. It was crazy. Okay. Okay, lads. I need a screwdriver. I need a screwdriver, guys. You have a screwdriver I can have? Shoot, where's my... All my screwdrivers are outside. Where's my multi-tool, guys? Who took my multi-tool? Okay, come on, somebody speak up. Not cool, guys. Hey, can y'all blow on that pot for me so it doesn't overflow? Really, I need to blow on it. Guys, I don't feel like you're blowing on it. I can't see what's going on, but I feel like you didn't blow on it. Oh my God, guys, you did blow on it. Sorry, my handle comes undone because I got a cheap oven I've had this oven for like 6+ years. So every now and then I have to screw it back on. That can go off. Or what if I did this? Is this cracked? Am I cracked in this? Okay, guys, it doesn't sound like I did crack things. It just sounds like now there's somebody wet farting in my kitchen. I know, pleasant. That the butter is basically an oil, right? Or so it's just cutting my pasta in half. But yes, I'm using a metal spoon in a non-stick pan. Gotta love pasta sauce. Guys, it knows I'm fat. You know, I wanted to taste test the cheese. I'm using you all just... God, what did they make this packaging out of? There's no tear off strip, guys. Screw this. This is guy dinner. I don't have time for struggling to open a pack of cheese. I want to see how good this is. Yeah, a little bit of water to this pasta sauce. Because it's not runny enough, right? I'm going to strain this. Guys, it's so hot. Oh my god, it was sitting over the freaking hot stove. And the pan's not big, so the edges of it were sitting over the hot part. And I just scalded my fingers. Oh my god, I'm in so much pain. Oh my god. Oh, why am I still holding? There's noodles. No, no, no. Ew, my tastes like metal. From the factory. I haven't even taken a shower, man. Guys, if you're feeling sorry for how, like, dumb I am, can you just, like the video and subscribe? That would really... Okay, kill me. Just... What am I doing in my life? What am I doing? Hey, guys. I'm definitely not gonna cut that out. We're chilling. I have no idea how long to cook this chicken for. I know I cut last time I was baking something. Be a dream. I could bring you up to paradise up above. Only the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. If I was a gamer, I'd put water in this and get the rest out, but at least today. I gotta do that Khadgar quest line, guys. Can you really blame me? I got WoW stuff to do. Be a dream. Head on up to paradise up above. Tell me that I'm the only one that you love. Actually, this can go to the cavern. I don't know if it's filmed that. My glove is behind you guys, so I gotta get in here. I gotta blind myself. Okay. We just gotta stab one of the chickens to see how they're doing. Guys, would you judge me if I ate raw chicken? Be honest. It's close. But I feel like it's got another like 10 minutes. Okay, guys. There's gonna be a jump cut when the chicken's done, because I mean, I could just dance. I could just sit here and... I only know Fortnite dances, though. Like, the like... I can't do it, though. I'm fat. I don't want to fall in my kitchen. I do that. That was that cool? I don't know what about being in the kitchen and on camera makes me just want to dance, you know? Oh, this... I call this one an NMP, but I know he didn't invent it. But just this one, it's hilarious. I love it. I don't do it personally a lot. I mean, I've done it twice. I've done it in every cooking video, but that's just because it's funny. I'm not gonna do the spinny thing. I'm just gonna like, and then I'll cut. Guys, oh my god! I totally didn't check the chicken in perfect temperature. Oh, let's turn off the oven, guys. Let's get these out of the way. It only took like I don't know, 20 minutes. Let's heat up this pasta and let's get this chicken here, guys. Ooh. Now, I'm gonna get y'all a better look at it. I need that heat back up. Honestly, it's pretty good. They're a little toasty. They're a little black, but I don't think it's that bad. It's taking me about an hour to cook these. By the way, honestly, you know what? Hold on. Hold on. This might go crazy. This is the most genius idea I've ever had, or the worst one. Never mind. It's not gonna be the worst one, but I'm hoping it's photogenic, guys. That's all I'm hoping. Okay. So now watch this. Okay. No, these. Oh, there's so many hidden noodles. Okay. Oh my god, I just put my hand against that glass pan. That was hot. That was real hot. God, I tore this bag and I'm realizing I'm not using all the cheese. Okay. Okay, guys. Watch this. Watch a master at work. I click broil. I click high. Now, guys, we gotta get it ready for the pose. I need a place where I can sit. Let's see. I need to be like, cause I need a photo. I'm so happy this food is done. I can't wait to dig in. Ooh. Don't need the spoon anymore. What we do need is a fork and a knife. Oh, thank you guys so much for watching this video. We're almost done. broiling the cheese so that it gets nice and melty and crispy, and it's gonna look very photogenic. I'll give y'all stop falling, please. I'll give y'all a nice little glimpse, and then I'm gonna try to get a photo. I may just take a photo of it. I don't know. I want to get. I'm trying to get a photo with like the food, you know. But it's like, oh, true. I need to go get the other mitten. Where's the other mitten, guys? Where'd you hide it? There it is. I need to move fast. The cheese was melting when I last looked at it. Ooh. The music I'm listening to does not match the vibes I'm giving off, does it? I'm like listening to a slow Italian song. It's like you should be like slow dancing with someone. Come on. Ooh, it's starting to brown. Now, see, I'm broiling it, so it doesn't really matter that I have the door open. I don't feel like I can see the cheese starting to brown. It's hot, like both literally and sexy. It might dry out the pasta though. I'm a little worried it's gonna dry out the pasta. Come on, baby. Come on. This might finish with me 2 hours left to enjoy my evening. I don't know. I'm trying to fill the empty airspace, guys. I'm doing my dangest, my darnest. This cheese really isn't melting. Or it's melted, it's not crisping. I think I'm burning my chicken. I need the cheese to crisp. Ooh, I think it's happening. Oh, it needs to go back in. Oh, turn off broil. Come on, you're still close. That's you bubbling. Ooh, come on. Yes. Ooh, baby. Screw it, I can't wait much longer, dude. Okay, the spaghetti kind of looks rough, but the light's really bright. Being photogenic ain't easy, Chief. But someone's got to do it. Okay. Okay, camera, we got to change angles real fast. We gotta. That's a perfect photo, right? Okay, guys. Well, now that the food's done cooking, why don't we do a taste test? I'm gonna go with the one that I think is the most. A big piece of chicken. Get y'all better angle. Really, I can't really get you any closer. Like here, I can do this. Looks pretty good. Okay, let's give it a taste test. My eyes are up here, guys. Okay. I'm expecting this to be pretty hot. Yeah, I mean it's literally steamy. Can y'all see that? Hold on. Oh, there you go. Yeah, yeah. Look at that. There's steam coming off that. Also, for those that wondering, cooked all the way through. That's white. Very juicy. Very flavorful. Um, I feel like the cheese is more for looks. Didn't really taste it. It may be because of store brand, but the chicken, nice, juicy, tender. Honestly, it came out better than I expected. We're gonna get some pretty rough chicken. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I was committed to the cooking video, but I was a little worried for the second. The spaghetti, also steaming, by the way. There we go. You can see it sorta. That is just the sauce of my choice, and cheese and spaghetti. By the way, love Classico. Classico is the brand of pasta sauce I got, if you're wondering. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching. I know the video was a little hectic, a little crazy, a little off the walls, but this is the first episode of Guy Cooking. There will be more. It will be just as chaotic, probably, every single time. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your time. I appreciate y'all spending it with me. A like and subscribe really helps me out. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. Would love that. That'd be big ups. Without further ado, I'm gonna go hit that camera, or I'm gonna go hit the turn off button. You guys rock, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh wow, you can see me walk all the way over. That's crazy. I'm going, guys.